Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Meghalaya Assembly session concludes with significant legislation, including the Meghalaya Appropriate No. 4 Bill 2024, the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Amendment Bill 2024. Opposition VPP MLA Adelbert Nongrum draws attention of the government towards the increasing sex trafficking at Kendailat. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announces potential amendments to the Meghalaya Protection of Catchment Area Act 1990, aiming to improve enforcement mechanism and address implementation challenges. Meghalaya government rules out high-level probe into death of Awami League leader. And now for the news in detail. The Assembly on Friday passed many important bills on the final day of the autumn Assembly session. Among the bills which were passed include Meghalaya Appropriate No. 4 Bill 2024, Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Amendment Bill 2024 and Meghalaya State Housing Board Repealing Bill 2024. The other bills which were passed are Meghalaya Goods and Services Amendment Bill 2024, Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Amendment Bill 2024 and Meghalaya Community and Public Services Social Audit Amendment Bill 2024 and the Captain Williamson State University Amendment Bill 2024. Assembly Speaker Thomas Sangma adjourned the Assembly, signed die after the passing of the bills. VPP MLA from North Shillong Adelbert Nongrum during the question hour raised the issue about the growing number of sex trafficking taking place at the heart of Shillong at Kendailat, which happens to fall under his constituency. Urban Affairs Minister Sngya Bhalangthar replied that the issue will be examined. Nongrum also questioned the government if the purpose of the railing installed at Kendailat was to dry clothes. Dhar in his reply assured the legislator that the concern is important and he has taken note that he will send officers tomorrow itself to not allow anyone to dry clothes on the railing.
2024, that was recent months, 3 months back. All the stretch in between Hotel 5-star and the Assembly, they were putting, the clothes has been dry all along the stretch. Then the second, the incident, it was happening on the 16th October 2019. They're exactly in the circle of the Kendailat, which connected with a long high mast. This thing happened, it was an ISO.
Mr. Speaker, sir, why the reply is no? Because till today, there is no official complaint has been received by the department. That is the reason why I reply no. Anyway, I know the concern is important. I would like to assure the member from tomorrow, I will instruct my officer, I won't allow anybody to hang clothes on the train.
No.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced on Friday that the government is contemplating amendments to the Meghalaya Protection of the Catchment Areas Act 1990. The move aims to enhance the enforcement of the Act, which has faced implementation challenges due to its reliance on the landowner consent for creating catchment areas. UDP MLA Olan Sun prompted the response, highlighting the need for more effective mechanism to safeguard these crucial areas.
The time may come that in rural areas, the source of PSC water, as it gets dwindling every year, the time may come when it gets dry up. I want to make an appeal to the concerned department, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, to take care that all this Catchment Area Protection Act, not only to be applicable to big catchment area.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced plans to regulate fishing competitions in response to concerns about fishing shortages. During the Assembly session, UDP MLA Lakmen Rumbai revealed that organizers are importing 300,000 kg of fish for 500 events. Sangma confirmed the state faces a shortfall of 12,000 metric ton of fish annually, while local production meets only 21,000 of the 32,000 metric tons consumed. The regulation aims to address the imbalance and ensure sustainable fish management.
So that's roughly, sir, about 240 crores worth of fish is what the shortage we have even for our consumption in the state. So there's a huge market of about 240 crores still there for people to tap into. So yes, sir, the suggestion given by the honorable member will also help in increasing the revenue of the farmers. I will definitely take note of this, and we will encourage that even for future competitions that the fish can be bought from the local farmers.
The state government reported on Thursday that the investigation into the alleged attack by BSF personnel on a family in East Jaintia Hills district has been concluded. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, responding to a call attention notice from VPP MLA Bright Star Velmarmanian, confirmed that the case is ready to be charged. The police registered the case at Cleriat Women Police Station under various IPC and POCSO Act sections.
A case was registered at Cleriat Women Police Station under case number 16 in bracket 06 2024 with charges filed under section 457, 326, 354, 506, 384 and 34 Indian Penal Code, read with section 7 and 8 of the POCSO Act.
Agriculture Minister Ampreen Lingdot today confirmed that the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission was established in 2019 through the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission Act. Notified on October 16, 2019, the Commission acts as a bridge between farmers and the government, focusing on policy measures to support the farming community in Meghalaya. She said this while replying to the question raised by VPP MLA from Maurinkning, Heavingstone, Kharpran.
Farmers Empowerment Commission was constituted in 2019 by an act of the Meghalaya State Legislative Assembly through the Meghalaya's Farmers Empowerment Commission Act 2019, Act number 22 of 2019. The role of the Commission is to act as a bridge between the farmers and the government in identifying key issues to engage itself in the formulation of long-term and short-term policy measures for the benefit of the farmers in the state of Meghalaya.
The Meghalaya government has announced it will not conduct a high-level investigation into the discovery of the decomposed body of Awami League leader Isak Ali Khan. The Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong stated that the Bangladeshi High Commission and the Ministry of External Affairs have been informed and the body has been identified. The cause of death will be determined after a forensic test. The body was found on August 26th, 1.5 kilometers inside the India-Bangladesh border in East Jaintia Hills district.
Right now, we still, we are really confused because the information we received from the BSF, they said that in fact, there was no question of attempting entering India. That is number one. And then ultimately, I think because from the BTR side, from the Bangladesh side, they claim that the leader of Awami League, he was trying to escape to India, and then he was on the way. But BSF, they verified it and they said it was not like that. But ultimately, after 2 or 3 days, yes, his dead body was found inside, I think 1.2, 1.3 kilometers inside the Indian territory.
On National Sports Day, Meghalaya Governor C.H. Shankar addressed NCC cadets at the Rhino Auditorium, Shillong, emphasizing the need for physical fitness and the role of the NCC in disaster management. The governor praised the NCC for its 76 years of service and stressed that the cadets' preparedness in times of crisis is crucial for saving lives and rebuilding communities. He highlighted the importance of disaster management, not just for immediate relief, but for providing hope and ensuring safety in the aftermath of natural calamities.
For the past 76 years, the National Cadet Corps has been an inspiration of the selfless service, shaping the youth of our nation into disciplined, responsible and patriotic citizens. One of the critical areas where your training, we believe, invaluable in the disaster management. Meghalaya, with its unique topography, is prone to natural calamities like floods, landslides and earthquakes. Your ability to respond quickly in times of crisis will not only to save their lives, but it will also reinforce the trust and confidence that the community places in NCC.
Principal of Minken Christian Higher Secondary School, Everlasting Pingrove, has been honoured with the National Teachers Award 2024. Pingrove expressed his gratitude and highlighted that the award represents the collective effort of his school's community. With 34 years of teaching experience, Pingrove has led the school since 2011 and is recognized for his dedication to educational excellence. The award ceremony will take place in Delhi on September 5th.
Ula bandon rekat banga kumu syukri jong play ban tray kini ke school antala lai ku sau snem tingala long principal bu snem arja kharwei bat hai kini snem ngadon koi ke thom kata kalong kumu ban kedio ya kini ke school na ke kerdan ke baka ke don ha gitu snem bat wan ra ya ke jingkela kata kalong ban wan ra ya ke jing kentiu ya kini ke school ha kiliang baro ya ngu bo boleh don rekat ha kini ke khiat snem ki bala lai mengilala ban kentiu ya kini ke school ha kini ke jinglong bu jongka isukman sikot mengilala ban syukri ya kini ke dong ke than jungi I work in school ilala ban seng kum ke secondary ten ring lala ban pli ke higher secondary ya ke arts hausnam arajar lai ilala ban seng ya ke higher secondary class 11 commerce au arajar khalai nanta arajar kuar ngila police ya ke science stream.
Principal of Union Christian College Higher Secondary School Bayarlin Nongrang released a new book titled Teachers' Attitude Towards the Profession of Elementary Level Education. Co-authored with Dr. Mistilia Dakar, the book aims to support teachers by offering practical advice on classroom management and student engagement. Nongrang's research, which began during the COVID-19 lockdown, aims to improve educational practices and inspire teachers in the district and beyond.
It's very difficult. Persang perpembangan research makabala ya master degree in education. Then haplek the research nang tanga lek questionnaires. Then the questionnaires pada kilong ba kimentoy ya kibobo. Nakhamshim da ready-made questionnaire. Dengan shim da nationahi ki questionnaire. Then I get na. Then makade ka lockdown class I through like WhatsApp and all. Ban jubab. Some students are selected ada kapot. Then nang tapat dan dala itho baka igyang no dong sadong ilong applicable especially for the elementary school teachers. Perkhat bad in madam zonga bada igay ban na no ka doju kokot ban tho no da kokot nomor bakila ban yarap deki no hikai ki badang hikai haka elementary school education.
A district-level science seminar on artificial intelligence potentials and concerns was held yesterday at RMSA Government Secondary School Jawai. Organized by the District School Education Officer, the seminar featured student representations on the advantages and drawbacks of AI technology. Deputy Commissioner B. Solia highlighted AI's historical application and its potential to address issues like global warming. Certificates were awarded to top-performing students, with Gary Rubin Nongplo winning first place.
Intelligence, that we are using this term now, recently. In fact, if I may say so, mankind have toyed, have played, developed, have experimented with artificial intelligence right from when they split the atom. That's artificial intelligence that time, like as we proceeding through the years. In fact, before the advent of the computers, the calculator was already there. I think all of us, we quite elderly, we know that calculator, plus minus, and we do all the calculations. That is artificial intelligence. I think you'll agree with me.
And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature 18.3 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 27.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning 59% and in the evening 79%. Forecast moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. And now for the headlines once again. Meghalaya Assembly session concludes with significant legislation including the Meghalaya Appropriation Number 4 Bill 2024 and the Meghalaya Identification, Registration, Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Amendment Bill 2024. Opposition VPP MLA Adelbert Nongrum draws attention of the government towards the increasing sex trafficking at Kendailan. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announces potential amendments to the Meghalaya Protection of Catchment Area Act 1990 aiming to improve enforcement mechanism and address implementation challenges. Meghalaya government rules out high-level probe into death of Awami League leader. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.